Rules on the use of body-worn cameras in the execution of warrants. So, Section 1, title, these rules shall be known and cited as the rules on the use of body-worn cameras in the execution of warrants. So, in the Section 1, it is cited that the rules on the use of body-worn cameras in the execution of warrants. So, when the law enforcement officers execute warrants, so they have to use the body worn cameras. Section 2, scope and applicability. These rules shall apply to all applications, issuance and execution of arrest and search warrants under the revised rules of criminal procedures. So, these rules shall apply when the issuance or the execution of arrest or the warrantless arrest shall be conducted. So, these rules shall be applied and under the revised rules of criminal procedures. And then, Section 3, supplementary nature of these rules to the existing rules of procedure. So, in terms of if the other party needs to fulfill their needs to prove that uh, the execution of warrant shall be recorded, and that's the time or the evidence, or it should be the evidence that can prove through the body worn cameras or the uh, recording through the body worn cameras. Section 4, definition of terms. For purpose of these rules, the following terms are defined as follows. So, Section 4, uh, one is alternative recording device. An electronic camera system which is not a body-worn camera that is capable of creating, generating, sending, receiving, storing, and processing audiovisual recordings and may be worn during law enforcement activities. So this alternative recording device should be used when there is no body-worn camera. So from the word alternative, so it is used only if the body-worn camera is not available during the execution of warrant by the use of uh, alternative recording device. Body-worn camera. Body-worn camera is an electronic camera system designated to law enforcement units for creating, generating, sending, receiving, and processing audiovisual recordings that may be worn during law enforcement activities. So, body-worn camera, it is an electronic camera that can be used in to our law enforcement officer during conducting law enforcement activities. Then, data custodian. Data custodian is an officer of law enforcement agency implementing the arrest of search warrant was the sole responsibility of storing and safekeeping the data recorded from body-worn cameras. So the data custodian is an officer or a law enforcement agency that has the sole responsibility to safekeep the data recorded from body-worn cameras. Then metadata. Metadata is the information within the recording file containing any digital identifiers that are captured as part of the actual recording, such as the recording date, time, GPS coordinates. So, the metadata is the digital identifiers, so that are captured during the law enforcement activities or during the execution of warrants in in as the recording date, or it it serves as the recording date, the time, the GPS coordinates. So that was the metadata or the information of the recording or the audio visual footages that gathered during the law enforcement activities. And the last one is the recording. So digital material generated as a result of using body-worn cameras or alternatives recording devices which contain images and audio video footages. So recording, this is the data or the digital material generated as a whole, or we can say it is the result of uh, body-worn cameras or the alternative recordings devices which contain images and audio video footages, or the the result of the use of body-worn cameras during the arrest or the any law enforcement activities.